Alrighty, 1998 Toyota Corolla VE. It is the rear trunk, rear bumper painting time. Okay, so prior in video, and this is day 1, part 6. So in video 5 and 6, I had done 2 and 3 coats of primer. 2 and 3 coats of primer, respectively. Yeah, it was a pretty hot one, so I was getting runs. I was getting a little crazy there. I needed a Snicker bar. I didn't have a Snicker bar to eat, so I couldn't eat. But my significant showed up. And, wow, I'm blessed with the significant. She gave me some lasagna. So I'm back in action now. Back in action. So what I'm going here is getting ready to do some painting. And with that painting, I got to do some tack ragging. I've already washed this thing. Bugged and tar, removed it. Removed any last minute prints on it in the primer. Hopefully. Well, anyway, it's going to be paint. And I'm going to be using a Duplicolor product. Toyota Duplicolor Perfect Match. That's what it's called. Toyota White OEM color. And prior to painting, I sanded everything down, this whole primer, with 320 and 500 grit. I'm sorry, 600 grit. And guess what? Look, I think it might be fixing to rain. But this is the product I used, or I will be using, the Duplicolor Perfect Match for Toyota colors. I've had some great success with this product. Very good product. And here we go. Let me get see, how should I attack this? I'll start over here and work my way. First coat will be like a light coat. Just got to learn this product. Hopefully the can's not defective. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Ooh, Lord. All right. See that? Just like that. Boom. Got breezes too. Gotta love it. So I'll start over here. Following this wet edge here. All right. Probably can't see here, but I do need to get some color on this side. Just a little bit. All right. All right, so trunk is done. Let me reposition the camera. Top is done. Be conscious of the time. Let me back you up some. Back you up. Get you close. Get you closer. Matter of fact, let's drop some legs. Drop you. Boom. Boom. Working with a purpose. All right. Boom. And boom. We're getting there. We're getting there. Give me a second. All right. Shake, shake, shake. A lot of stuff you probably won't see because I am working slightly off camera. Let's shake her up. Funny how it goes, right? Working all day and think, oh yeah, I don't got a breeze in the world. Just doing a light coat. Yeah, that thing's spitting a little bit. That's why you gotta move your hand quick. This can's spitting, so you gotta work with what you got, right? Can't make excuses when you gotta make money. See how this can's spitting out? Yeah. It's alright. This is just my shooting range. Yeah, it's spitting, man. But it's alright. Get up in here. Shake it up. And I'm still on the first coat. Remember that I say a light coat? Yeah. I found that if you definitely do light coats with this product, you'll get a lot out of it. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Okay. I'm going to go up to the top. Been a couple of minutes already. Bring it down. So I'm kind of working that quadrant that I was talking about. Remember, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So consciously, I'm being conscious of what I'm looking at. There we go. All right, so that's that's coat number 1. Let her wait 10 minutes and we'll see what she got. Let me show you what we have right now though. That's with coat number 1. Yeah, I probably did honestly 2 coats. So I'm going to say 2 coats for coat number 1. The product was spitting, so I wanted to get it on there a little bit heavy. But that's that side. Here's the top. That is true, a true coat number 1 on the top. I didn't mess around with that. I let that dry. It's ready right now, honestly. And here is the right quarter. I just miscoated that. And that's the bumper down there. I am liking what I'm seeing. Can't complain. I really can't. So, hey, open air painting is what we call it here. Open air painting. Alrighty, so that's number 1 down. We are on, that's the conclusion of part 6.